Everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add myth effect on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open your CapCut apps, and after this, in here you can add a photo or a video that you want to edit. And now in here you just click on the effect for add your myth effect. And after this, in here you just click on the video effect. And then at the menu you can swipe until you can see party, this one, click on it. Sorry, in here you can click on the tiles. Sorry, no party, but on the tiles. And after this you can swipe down until you can see myth effect, this one. You just click on it. And after this, in here you can click on the check icon, this one. Click on it, and then now you can adjust the effect, so you can click on the adjust at the bottom. You can adjust for the speed and then for the background animation. Now you can click check icon at the bottom and finish. So that's how to add a myth effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.